Hey there, it's me, Dr. Bongo. I'm just having a little play with feedback loops, possible modification for the tricked out 64s. What we've got is a potentiometer, which is wired to the ins and the outs of the SID chip. So what happens when you turn the potentiometer up, it takes the output of the SID chip, feeds it back in, and then it comes back out again. You kind of get like a feedback echo effect. We're going to use Messiah just with some test patterns to show kind of what it can do. What I'll do is I'll record the output on the PC so you get a much clearer sound than from me using my mobile phone. Anyway, right. So what I'll do now is I'll fire it up and the audio will go to what I've recorded, and you'll be able to see for yourself. Very much in its infancy, but yeah, it's got some potential, I think. Anyway guys, let me know. Cheers.